Hey, not a bad day today across the valley here in the FM area. Look at our Skycam network shows that we do already have some of that haze, and it really never went away throughout the day. What happens, that sun comes out, it warms things up and melts a little snow. Some of that water evaporates into the atmosphere, and then as temperatures slowly cool, we'll start to see some more of that dense fog developing tonight. But hey, it's Scheels Weather Kid night, and Annabelle Hedlund is joining us. She is, how old are you, 9?
Yeah.
9 years old, and what grade does that put you in?
3rd.
And you go to Reinertson, right?
Yep.
Okay, and what's your favorite subject to study over there?
I like math.
Really? Well, that's fantastic. I like talking about numbers, and math is pretty fun to do too. And is there anybody you want to say hi to real quick before we get going?
Yeah, my sister Ivy and my friends.
Well, give them all a big wave. Hi, everybody. Maybe, what's your teacher's name?
Miss Rowe.
Yeah, I might get some extra credit for doing something sciencey and mathy today, right? Okay, why don't you step over here? First and foremost, there is a dense fog advisory for our western counties out by Jamestown and Ellendale. Notice we don't have anything issued here, but I still think we're going to see some areas of patchy dense fog tonight across Minnesota and especially the Southern Valley as we go through the overnight. Now, temperature-wise, you noticed it was hot or cold out there today?
It was a little warm.
A little warm. Why don't you point out a couple of temperatures? You pick a town and tell us their temperature right now.
Valley City is 32 degrees.
Very good. Now let's sneak over and look at what's going on in Minnesota because we got some green on the map. Do you know what the green color represents? Do you remember?
It's in the 40s.
It's in the 40s, that's right. So Bemidji and Detroit Lake's in the 40s. Why don't you point out a temperature way up there by Rosa? What's their temperature tonight?
Baudette is 36.
Very good. So it's cool everywhere. It's warmed up very nicely, but cool a little bit up north. Now, here is a look at the current conditions out at Hector. Let's sneak over to the other side, and why don't you tell everybody what the temperature is right now outside in Fargo?
It's 38.
Okay, and what is the wind doing right now? How fast is it blowing?
17.
Yeah, and this G means that it's gusting to 24 miles per hour, so it is a little breezy out there, and that makes it feel a little chilly. Satellite and radar. First of all, do you see any rain, sleet, snow, hail, thunderstorms, or anything like that here?
No, not really.
Pretty quiet weather. The only thing we have are a few clouds, and where are the clouds showing up on the map?
In Langdon and Minot.
Very good. So out west, we have a few clouds. Down to the south, we actually have some fog that's developed. And what is all this green stuff? And who is getting the green stuff right now?
Chicago. The green stuff is rain.
Very good.
Chicago's getting some rain.
Good. And what's the blue stuff, and what towns might have to be worried about blue?
Blue is snow, and Salt Lake City might get some snow.
Very good. You're learning a lot about this weather. We got none of that snow falling from the sky, but what's all this white stuff on the ground that's not moving on the visible satellite?
It looks kind of like snow.
It is. It's snow that's on the ground, so we can really see now that we've cleared out the fields of heavy snow that have fallen across our area. Boy, that sunshine felt nice, but there's a lot of melting that has to go on. And when we zoom in closely, we can actually see some of this clouds that are moving. That's fog, and it's set up in Watertown and in Sisseton already, and St. Cloud reporting fog as well. So, forecast for tonight as we go through the evening. Temperatures, they stay in the 30s, but what's all this white stuff we're seeing across the area?
It looks kind of like snow or clouds.
Yeah, it's definitely more of that foggy, cloudy stuff that develops through the evening hours, and the wind stays a little breezy. Now, as we head to bed, we got green, we got pink, we got some stuff moving in. Do you remember what the green is?
Rain.
Yeah, so we'll have some rain out towards Minnesota. Fog for a lot of us as we start our day. But look at the temperatures. Is that hot or is that cool for this time of the year?
It looks a little warm.
Yeah, that's warm. First thing in the morning, and it's in the 30s, south winds and foggy. Watch out for that. Now, out across Minnesota, hit and miss showers of rain throughout the day. Out west from the Red River and points west, it looks a little quieter as far as rain chances go. But does it look sunny out all day or cloudy all day?
Cloudy.
Yeah. Plan on some clouds out there. How about after school temperatures on your Friday? What does it look like in Fargo?
37.
Pick out any town you want to and point out their temperature for tomorrow afternoon.
Detroit Lakes is 36.
Okay, Bemidji, Roseau, Baudette, all a good chance of showers in the afternoon. Okay, give everybody their Reinertson Elementary morning bus stop forecast.
32.
Good, and what's the weather going to be like?
Fog's slippery.
Yeah, watch out for the icy sidewalks. And then as we go towards the lunch recess, what does it look like?
35.
Good, very nice weather out there. And after school?
37.
37, cloudy but a mild day, and Hutch gives that what grade?
A.
An A. All right, take a look at the hometown forecast. A lot of 30s out there, but a lot more clouds. And if there's going to be sprinkles of rain, it'll be out west. What do you see here?
A dog.
A dog is enjoying the snow, right? This is Christine Stanwood's picture of her puppy, Mika, jumping into Thursday. Here's your planning forecast. Let's step over here, Annabelle, while we talk about the forecast for the next 7 days. Saturday, good chance of some flaky weather across portions of the area, maybe mixed with some drizzle as well. That continues into Sunday, but the temperatures stay about the same, mid-30s. And it looks like the storm we're tracking for Tuesday and Wednesday will hit to the south, so we've lowered our snow chances. So, favorite season, summer?
Summer. I like summer.
You like summer? You're not a shoveling fan then, huh? No. Okay, all right. You did outstanding. Nice job, Annabelle.
Excellent. Okay, forever stamps will cost a little bit.